Ed, do you recall how I was talking about the cicadas and all the racket they make here? Now they've kind of, they're short-lived, just a few weeks or a couple of weeks, something like that, before they die off. I'd found one out here fallen in the street earlier. See if I can find him. I think that's him over there. Yep. Let's see. Hang on. This is one. Probably a couple of inches long. And you can see their wings. They're huge. And I suspect that's what they use to make their loud chatter with. Which typically at this time of day would just fill the air. You couldn't walk down the street without hearing just tons of noise from them. Let's see, hang on, here we go. Just a bug. And an ugly one too. They bury into the ground and reproduce there every 7 years, believe it or not. They're not all syncopated, of course, but you know, they come out every year pretty much and fill the air with noise. Horrible, horrible, loud chatter. I'm kind of wishing they were still making some of that noise so I could record it and show it to you or play it for you, but not to be. Oh well. If I hear some later, I'll grab the camera and record it for you. See ya.